This preview is a tutorial for using following directions using before and after. Included in this packet are 5 picture sheets for following directions and 4 levels of directions using before and 4 using after. The levels range from using one color to color the pictures to using designated colors for various directions such as color, circle, or put an X on a picture. First, print out one of the picture sheets. I would recommend printing the direction sheets on cardstock and laminating for durability. Plus, you will be able to reuse the sheets this way. Review all of the pictures on the sheet. After the directions have been cut out, lay one set on the table. Read the directions. I write the order the pictures were colored to help with step 2. Once proficiency with this skill has been determined, it's time for step 2. Place a blank sheet on the table. This time, invert the directions. Reinforce that the directions are the same, just in a different position. This may need to be done a few to many times until it is understood. Compare the sheets completed for both steps. This will help the student understand that the directions are the same, they're just inverted. After the concept is understood, mix up the order and see what happens. Just don't be in too big of a hurry. Take your time and let the student's understanding direct when it's time to move on to the next step. Use the after sheets in the same way. On the direction sheet, I put after first since it would seem to be better understood in this order. If that doesn't work for you, mix it up until you find what works best for your students.